Hey guys! Tonight I'm going to be showing you how to use Pic Collage. Pic Collage is a fun way to make collages that highlight important times of your life. So if you're graduating, you can make it for senior year, showing how you've changed over the year, other important moments in your life like prom or other dances that you've had. So first what you want to do is download Pic Collage to your computer. As you see, I did it here already, and I'm going to open the app. Here we go. So now you see we have three options. We have grids, freestyle, and templates. With grids, it's basically preset grids that you just really have to add your pictures. Freestyle will allow you to pick as many pictures as you want, and it'll give you templates based off of how many pictures you picked. With templates, they're preset designs already made, and all you have to do is upload your pictures. So today I'm going to choose freestyle. And it says tap anywhere to add a photo, so I'll just click here where it says photos, and I have my files in my USB drive. So once it finishes loading, I'll start uploading my pictures. And as you can tell by the names of these pictures, this is a prom collage. Just wanted to highlight a fun moment for me. Just a few more. So now that I have all my pictures, I can click on this button right here. Actually, no, this button where it says, it's got like the little grid format. And at the bottom you see we have all these different designs. So I'll click this one. Hey, that worked out perfectly. And we have the button over here that allows us to change the size. So if we want them to be farther apart in a sense or closer together, we can change that. So I'm going to make mine just a little bit smaller and click check. And now it makes it bigger. So as you can see, this picture kind of cut out my friend. So if I click on it and adjust it, it'll allow me to move it over. This one, I can just recenter it. That one's fine. This one will move over just a little bit. This one, bring it down. Okay, so here I have my 7 pictures. Now I can click this little plus button, and we have this option that says background. So I'll click on it to add a background, and at the bottom we have all these different styles. Click the cursor and move it, and we have more options. So you can play around, see what you like. Well, I'm liking this graphic chevron, that's nice. I like the red one. Let's go with that. And then we select that. And then you can edit a picture. So if I want to edit a picture, I can click on it and I can hit this blue button, and we have this effects that we will click. And down here we have all these different styles that we can affect our picture with. So we can play around with it, make it different, however we want to do that. And I saw this one, and I think that's pretty fun. You can also, while you're here, crop the picture if you want. But I'm not going to crop it, so I'll press this back arrow and it'll save it. Just like so. I will also edit this picture. Click on it and give it an effect. And I will do, ooh, that makes me look shiny. We can't do that one. Antique. That's a fun one. And you don't have to edit all your pictures, but I'm going to edit one more. And just play around here. You can flip the picture entirely if you want. Or just give it something different, a flair. Or make it black and white, that's nice. So I will leave that. So now that I have all my pictures and they're how I want them, size-wise and everything, do that, I'll click this button and it says text. So I'm going to add a text that says prom 2018. We're going to align it middle. It gives me the chance. There we go. Back to text. And now we see here at the bottom, we have all these fonts that we can choose. So you can choose something that goes with your theme, doesn't really go with your theme, or whatever you find that you like. I'm liking this one. That one's kind of cool. And you see this button here, we can change the font color. So make it a little lighter. And then this button, you can add a background like banner to it. And sometimes you don't have to. So me, I'm not going to put one on there. Then we'll go over here and it says add text. And we'll just put that right in the middle. Click this button and hold it. Make it bigger, smaller, do a 360 with it. But I'm just going to make it straight and a little bit bigger and leave it like that. If I click back on this button, we have an option to add stickers. So I'll add a few stickers. Down here, we have different themes. So I will just click on this one that says randos. I'll do create beautiful memories, fab, and we'll look at some other themes that are open. Just click on this one. Oh, those are just hearts. So cute. Cute, cute, cute. There's a lot of Valentine themes down here at the bottom right now. Funny. I'll just go with those 3 stickers. So they added our stickers right here, and I'm going to move this over here in the corner, make it a little smaller and rotate it. Fab, I'll put right in the middle. And this cute little heart, put it next to my mom, because I love my mom. I'll turn it just so, and there we go. So this collage is looking done for the most part. Just a few touches here and there. And you know, you can always like add more pictures or do less. There's this option for ink, and you know, it allows you to write with your mouse on it. But if you don't want to do that, you can just erase it, tap it, and it's gone. And press the X to get out of it. So since I'm done with my collage, I'm going to press this little button that's for export or save. Click it, and we have options to upload to Facebook, Twitter, and more. Set it as your lock screen, print, or save. So I'm going to save it to my computer and rename it my collage. And it's going to be saved to my USB, so we'll save it, and then we're done. And then, you know, you can always exit out of that, and then once you saved your collage, you can make another one if you wanted to, using a different font, template, or style. And if you ever have any questions, you can always click on this question mark, and it'll tell you what to do, where you want to go, or if you ever have any questions. But Pic Collage, like this collage here, it's a fun way to show something that you want to highlight in your life. So for me, prom was a fun moment. Made a collage about it. Could do one for kindergarten through 12th grade and add 12 pictures. Anything like that. Hope you'd enjoy. Bye!